flowers here? Aren't they so beautiful? But they're not real flowers. They're artificial flowers. Do you want to make some? If so, come with me. To make artificial flowers, you'll need tissue. You can use face tissue, or you can use the tissues that I'm using right here. You'll also need a pair of scissors. Take a tissue paper and cut it into square pieces like this. Take a piece and fold it twice. Take your scissors and cut it to make a circle. Hold the joint and gently press and twist. Or just cut circles and make flowers. Make more of these. Take a stick and paste your flowers on it with glue. You can make more of these with different colors. Thank you for watching. Bye!